14 and you look 7. Refers you as big man, you can get gunshot.
Well, all you, me not care if you are 9. Blood clot. Let's go.
Sounds like a waste, man. A Savla Mary fool come from, you know, a lie.
No. Not deal with country badness. Me live close to you. You see? You now run the file. And you say you are.
You never tell her that.
Boy, get out of the content, a square. See me upon the dog. I said, yeah, the dog dead in the dog. Yeah, dog. The gate of the turn up, dog. Said, yeah, the dog dead in the bro.
Yo, Skipper, I don't know how the man go live and not the inside.
A lot of Jamaicans live streamers are in fear because of this. If you don't know, last night a popular live streamer by the name of Niah was unalive while live streaming. Now what makes this situation very alarming is that less than 3 months ago, another live streamer by the name of Kìller, a university student, experienced the exact situation that Niah experience. Now, many online users took to social media to offer their condolences. Niah, a good youth, you never deserve this. What Jamaica come to, you can't even entertain people again. Boy. Another daughter left without a father. Niah was just an entertainer. Why people can't see that he was just trying to entertain his audience. Condolences to his friends and family.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robbie Masaga. Today I want to discuss about a deeply troubling story that has shaken a lot of people, especially Jamaicans. I'm talking about the unaliving of a Jamaican TikToker called Niah. Apparently, this guy was unalived on live stream. This incident is a reminder of the dangers of unsolved conflicts, violence, and also the role that social media plays. And my goal today is not only to shed light on this tragedy, but also to offer advice to people, especially young people, on how we can prevent this from happening in future.
I'm going to know that if I walk there, they make a walk. I don't walk already. So if I walk, we don't be able to walk.
Yo, so let the walk go down there already, Skipper.
Yes, I will like that. Get clap out, man. When I tell her that already, dog. Last shot, the dog get in the head, you know.
It's next year. Skipper, I'm not get shot.
I don't even know if my next cousin get in there. If in a video and say I'm two cousins sit down together, dog. I don't even know where that them on they got. When do this up, you know, so no, no, Papi, we there, dog. No, Papi, we there. I must say, Papi, and the man sit down together. I don't know, Papi, we there if he get shot out.
Nobody knows what it is.
Nobody knows what we.
Go to Ghana, no Ghana. No what that's not.
No, man, no link with that man again.
No link to no again.
Nah. Money work, money work, and no play, no link it. I throw back in front gate, man, then I try run, try run, go back. Niah last man get up, you know.
Run back up on time.
Man run go back and gate to the front gate for coming and get up.
Oh,
You must say a back, never say, you sit down back with man in country, back part, yeah. So, when I come up, you see, you know, I'm fling your chair and took off, I go so. You see? I mean, no, oh, niah run and run pan him face. So, we have niah run pan him face in half a drop, and I tell him about him style it up. He half a drop, cause son niah run that pan him face. So, half a drop, you see? I know niah run. Because the time I see him get up, I know I tell him about that style already. You see? And the dog shot him and lick him off on foot or something, then I tell him.
Ready about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we come on to the boy.
Wait. That's how you want. Yeah, we get that, brother. Yeah, we get that. So you enjoy it? You know what, good on the road, so I know what good on it. Yeah, I know I'm fucked up, dog. We leave here, I tell you, bro.
Yeah, me just want to hold it cause, you see me?
Oh, 24 man I forward in a dog. And I dog for camera go airport and a dog also something in a dog. Some people why oh boy.
Yeah, me just, yo, me don't want to get yourself in a problem in a dog. You hear that, dog?
God I gotta shit no. They are cool man, my dog man. I go on cool. But me nah go tell her say it me hear say a janta. Nah go sit down and watch that. Nah go sit down and watch the car arena dog.
Alright guys, so I learned two things watching the last moment of Niah, right? Now, in the last moments, they had a little back and forth anyway. There's something that is regular on TikTok. If you're a TikTok watcher, you know that it's a regular thing. And I know strange thing if you didn't have back and forth. You understand? Now, the two things that me learn. When Harry say, this man on a running file, Niah on a running file, right? Because if it's a running file, you don't know say income from the area and anyway. You understand? You realize that Niah demeanor change. Like a man get nervous and you never ever see this man get nervous. You understand? So it's either he knows say he have apps, people who after him, right? Who live in that area but after him. And anyway, so he probably just look for see if somebody we know. Or it can be a situation where your energy, your spirit actually know when you're about to pass before your physical body know when you're about to pass. Now, I'm not any spiritual person like that, but the moment, yeah, you're very deeper than anything because right there, so me hear people talk here, you know, say your energy know say you are go pass before you actually pass. And you can literally say the man right there, so it's almost like in life flash in front of your eyes. Them. You understand? It's right there, so in the moment you see the man get literally nervous. So it's like the energy, the spirit in you, whatever you want to call it, no say, you know, danger, the right is right now. You understand? A very, just couple seconds after that, bad things start to happen. Like there's a lot of things in this world and this universe that we don't understand. You understand? A lot of things we don't understand. But the moment yeah, it really, you know, teach me something. You understand? Really, really teach me something. Yeah.
You know, it's a big man thing. Me not feel like I know I TikTok of them. On the live, we are check the Niah kill Niah, you know. I mean, I feel like I know a man them we are run joke with him either. I tell you one story my grandfather tell me. So when I younger, my grandfather tell me say, one man named Mass Joe and Skelly and the catch up. And Master Joe beat up Skellyan, you know. And Skellyan take him beat up. 3 years down the line, Skellyan and him are still friends, still a go a bar, still a drink, still a have fun. But you know, say Master Joe go catch up with Pepper. And him and Pepper fight in a day. So Skellyan say, boy, 3 years ago you beat me up and go on the most way, you know. Me I go and he murder Joe. And when he murder Joe now, everybody has see a Pepper. Cause remember say Pepper and him war today, you know. So, based on what the story I say now, it can be that him have an enemy long time too. And the enemy just wait for the right time to kill him. It can be that he have a friend or a family they want to kill him. It can be that he want to be a Dan and somebody in a place take him out. It can be that in this somebody long time and them just see this as an opportunity to take him life. So sometimes I realize that Jamaicans full of investigators and Jamaicans have a lot of detectives. I mean, I wonder how none of police just make the death stay away there. Now accuse nobody if you don't have evidence. Don't say another man do it if you don't know who. See, ear blind and deaf. You could have ugly like Arnett Ref. Just be careful. Just allow them vibes, man. Uno know a killer? Shh. Because you don't know if a killer watch you.
Niah was unalived on live stream. This is someone who knew that Niah was live streaming. He knew where to get him. He knew how to get him. And he went there and did it when people were watching. This shows you how social media can be double-edged sword. Social media is very important, but it shows you how dangerous it can also be. Someone can just track you, or someone can just hate you, and maybe they've even never met you. You end up being unalived. Maybe there's something you said that didn't sit well with that person. He felt provoked, and you automatically became a target. People need to be careful on what they share out here. When you're addressing some matters or some topics, you need to be, you need to be sure of whatever you're talking about. You need to weigh your words, because some people are very easily provoked. Some people don't know how to control their anger. We don't know those people. That is why I'm talking to my fellow content creators. You need to protect yourself. When you're doing content, you need to weigh your words. You need to know what you're feeding people out there. Some people are not impressed, maybe by you, maybe by your content, and you can become a target. They can unalive you even when you've never wronged them directly. Maybe it's just something you said and they didn't like it. And now because they have anger issues, or because they are just violent people, they opted to, finish you. Some of us content creators don't know what to expose and what not to expose out there. We expose everything. Whatever that we go through, we go out there and expose it. If we have issues with someone, if we have conflicts with people, we go out there and share it. And you don't know that person that you're sharing about to the public. You don't know how they feel emotionally. Some of them don't know how to control their anger. They will target you. You automatically become a victim because you've provoked them. Maybe you thought by you airing it publicly, maybe you thought they will see it, and if they're the ones who wronged you, they might change. But you don't know. Maybe you're making matters worse. Stop sharing everything. Stop provoking people. And I'm not saying Niah provoked anyone. I'm just talking to my fellow content creators. I want them to be, before you share anything out there, be sure that that thing is not going to provoke any person. Be sure that you're not going to become a target. Some people are very jealous. Some people don't want to see you prosper. They don't want to see you, making it in life. So if you have issues with them and you start mentioning them, they might target you. You need to weigh what you say out here. I feel so bad about, I saw that video and I felt it. I felt it. Like, why would you just wake up and unalive someone? Why can't you just solve issues in private? Do you want to tell me that person who unalived Niah, do you want to tell me that person is at peace right now, emotionally? Is he feeling good about whatever he did? Does he think that he's now going to live a happy ever after life? Did he even think, or she, let me just not say he because maybe it's a she. Did they even think about the consequences? Do they know that when you unalive someone, you go to prison for life or for very many years? Do they even know that? You just wake up and unalive someone for something you can solve. It's not like this person came and unalived your family member or, did something major for you to wake up and do that. I saw that Niah has a kid. Right now, that girl is left fatherless. Tell me, how is she going to, survive without a father? She has a mother, yes, but how is she going to survive without a father? You who unalived Niah, tell me, how is that girl? What is she going through right now? People need to be careful. You need to be sure of what you share. A simple video, a simple comment can escalate a situation. And you can put your, safety at risk. We don't know what Niah said to provoke this guy. And I'm not saying that Niah wronged this guy. I don't know what he said to provoke him or her. We have very evil people out there. So we don't really know what Niah said on social media that had to provoke this guy to an extent where he thought unaliving was the best option. It's like this person doesn't know about communication. You can just sit down with someone and tell them that here you are wrong. Whatever you said was wrong. And that person will understand. If it's shaking hands, you shake hands and you move on. You unalive someone, and as if unaliving him is not enough, you do it on live camera where everyone is watching, their family members are watching, their fans are watching. Tell me how many people have been affected by this story. Guys, if you're facing anything, if you have conflicts with someone, please take a step back, breathe, start thinking about the consequences before you do something that you might regret. Think about it first. Call that person, sit down with them, talk to them directly, tell them where they went wrong. Maybe they don't even know. Some people are very evil out there. You might be hating on someone, and maybe that person is not even aware that they did something wrong to you. So the best thing for you to do is sit with them, tell them that this is where they went wrong, instead of you doing something that you will end up regretting, instead of you doing something that is going to, affect so many people out there. I'm very sure that so many people are very scared right now, even going live on these platforms. They are very scared because they don't know what can happen to them. They don't know who is next, because Niah is not the first person I've heard that was unalived on live stream in Jamaica. I think Niah is the second person. So how many people right now are scared even going live? How many people are scared of what happened to Niah? They are not sure whether they are next. So before you do something, think about the future. Think about prison. Who wants to go to prison? Who wants to spend the rest of their lives in prison? Think about that. Think about the family members to that guy you want to unalive. Think about his or her kids. Think about that. Communication is key. Violence is not everything. Violence will never solve anything. It actually makes things more worse than you even think. But communication, simple word, can change a lot. I really feel bad for Niah. I don't know what he did to provoke that guy, but honestly, he didn't deserve to die like that. His family members didn't deserve that. And if you are out there and you're the one maybe who did whatever you did, if at all you've not been caught by now, if you're the one who did it, I don't know how you're going to live with that conscience. I don't know. But whatever you did, just know that you've hurt so many people, even people who didn't know Niah, because personally I didn't know Niah. I came to know him through this story. And imagine, this is how I feel. Tell me, that person who knew Niah personally, on a personal level, tell me, how is that person feeling right now? Tell me what his family members are going through right now. His child, what she's going through right now. Whatever you did was very wrong. Niah didn't deserve that. He didn't. Let me know, guys, what your thoughts are on the comment section. And remember to subscribe, like, and share as well. And until next time,